guys, today I'm going to do a Desi tag video. Thanks to Deepika Maker for tagging me in this video. So today's vlog will be about Desi tag. I think there are 5 questions in this tag, so that would be great for today's vlog. Which Desi country are you from? Most of you know that I am from India. Yes, I am from India. I am 100% Desi Indian. I have lived in America and currently I am living in Singapore. So a lot of people get confused about where am I from. But my accent is very clear that I am Indian and I keep traveling to India very now and then. So you get videos from all over the world. Wherever I am, I go ahead and film my videos at that part of the world. Anyways, I am 100% Indian. Which Desi language do you speak? And say a phrase in every language. I do speak Hindi, which is the national language of India. If a phrase in Indian could be, मेरा छोटा बेबी अभी मेरे पास है, मेरी गोदी में बैठा है. Why I'm talking like that? Okay. मेरा छोटा बेबी मेरे पास है, मेरी गोदी में बैठा है और मैं उसे खिला रही हूँ. I don't even speak like that. Okay, I should speak normally how I speak at home with my husband or my family in Hindi. When my dad calls me, I say, नमस्ते पापा जी, आप कैसे हो, क्या हो रहा है, मैं ठीक हूँ, आप क्या कर रहे हो, मम्मी जी कैसी हैं. And when I talk to my brother, I speak like, क्या कर रहा है तू, irritate मत कर, क्या मस्ती है तेरे को. We speak like that. And when I speak to my sister, it's like, Preeti, तुझे पता है क्या हुआ? And then we gossip around. When I speak to my husband, it's like, सुनो, आप मेरे लिए ये कर दो ना please, मेरे लिए कर दो ना please, मेरे को urgent है. So that's the phrases I speak generally in my life in my Indian Hindi language. Third question, what is your favorite Desi food? My favorite Desi food has to be Punjabi and South Indian food. I cannot distinguish between the Punjabi or the South Indian food because both are my favorite. And if you guys don't know, my husband is a hardcore Punjabi. I have to cook Punjabi food for him. And he's a foodie, I am a foodie. We both are foodie. We eat so much. We like to try out new dishes in our kitchen, and we love to go out and eat all Indian food. So my Indian food, Punjabi food, anything like chole bhature and all kind of chicken tadka, tagdi kebab, chicken tikka, paneer tikka, aloo tikka, and whatever you cook in Punjabi gravies. And when it comes to South Indian food, I am a biggest fan of Nandini chain of food. I can, like, my mouth is watering right now, I can have Nandini meals 3 times a day. And then I love masala dosa, I like idli vada, I like all kind of dosas, rava dosa, masala dosa, onion uttapa, etc, etc. So it has to be Punjabi and South Indian Desi food is my favorite. Then what do you think describes you best as a Desi? In the sense of style, household, item, your life philosophy and so on. When it comes to style, whenever there is an Indian festival, I really cannot dress in Western dresses. I have to have Indian dresses, brand new Indian dresses for each Indian festivals. I don't care which part of the world I live in. I don't care whether I get it or not. I start planning couple of months in advance, and I have to have Indian dress up to down, everything Indian traditionally. So that's a complete Desi me, that whatever I wear in the rest of the year doesn't matter, but when it comes to be the Indian festivals, it has to be Indian dresses. When it comes to household items, if you guys have checked my other vlogs, my temple, I carry it everywhere. I cannot stay without praying to God every day, and I have to have everything. So my one corner in my house is always the Indian temple, and I always have it along with me. Even if I go on short vacation, I carry God with me. And my life's philosophy, oof, I don't know how to compare it with the Indian philosophy. I don't know, but otherwise my life's philosophy is live and let live. I don't like to poke my nose in others' matters, and I totally prefer that nobody pokes their nose, legs, hands, feet, anything in my matters, because it's quite irritating and annoying. I think everybody has their own life. As far as I am not doing you any harm, you are not supposed to pinpoint fingers on me, on whatever I am supposed to do. And my baby has started playing. One more thing what describes me, Desi, can you guys believe? I travel on international flights, and in my check-in luggage there is always a bottle of pickles. Yes. There is always this risk of spoiling my makeup, my dresses, my new shopping stuff, and even the suitcases. But when I go to India, whether it's my mom's place or my mom-in-law's place, I cannot resist the pickles, Indian pickles. I have to eat them, even if I get sometimes pimples or acne because of lot of oily and spicy pickles. I have to have them. And when I'm coming from India, there is always one pickle bottle that is homemade pickle from my mom, and we pack it in packets. Just leave it. My son just dropped my cell phone. I think this is the first time he dropped the cell phone down on the floor. I have to be careful. Anyways, so that describes me, that I'm Desi. I always have a pickle. Sadly, I take the risk. But so far, I've never spoiled any of the dresses. So my packaging is really good. The question number 5 is, if you could meet one known Desi person, who would you like to meet? Actually, I've met a lot of celebrities in the past at the airports, like Indira Gandhi International Airport and Bangalore International Airport, and sometimes in the malls. But if I really have to meet one Desi person, it has to be Shah Rukh Khan. I am a mad fan for Shah Rukh Khan. I had my first crush at class 2 on him, and I still have a crush on him. So it has to be Shah Rukh Khan. I still love him. I still have a big crush on him, and I would definitely like to meet him. Not just because of his looks or the movies he does, but by knowing the life he has gone through. He's a self-made man, and that makes him more attractive to me, because I really love hardworking people, self-made people. So that's the reason I would love to meet Shah Rukh Khan one day in my life. If you guys know him or his number, any contact, please do pass it on to me. That's the end of my Desi tag. I hope you guys have enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed doing it along with my baby on my lap. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in my next video. Bye!